So data structures are the most important part of computer science. It is the most fundamental part, and you will use data structures to solve a lot of problems. So we know that our computer works on data. So our computer works on different types of data like integers, then text, then some videos, audios, etc. So our computer works on different type of data, and the main reason why we're introducing data structures is because we want to organize this data so that our computer or the user using the computer can access this data in an efficient manner. So the formal definition of a data structure is a data structure is just a collection of it is a collection of data values stored in some logical format in some logical format in logical form. So let's take a real life example of data structure, and we are going to introduce dictionary as our example. So if you want to search a particular word and you want to know the meaning of that word, you will just open up a dictionary and you will search for that word in a dictionary. So in a dictionary there are a lot of words with their meaning. So they also have meaning. So whenever we want to access a particular word, we can access that very easily because dictionary stores word in a sorted manner. So you can think dictionary as a type of data structure which stores words and their meanings in a sorted manner. So in this way, you will be able to search the word in the dictionary. And similarly, in computer science there are a lot of data structures, and in these data structures we will store the data values in some logical form, and these data structures mainly differ from each other because they have different form, or you can say different structure. So some of the data structures that we are going to learn are linked list, then stacks, queues, etc. So there are a lot of data structures that our computers can work on. So we will just use these data structures to store our data, and all of these data structures will store data in a different form, and the reason behind them is the time complexity. So there are basically 3 to 4 things that we do in a data structure. The first thing is we want to add something to our data structure. Second, we may need to search something in that data structure. The third one is that we might need to delete some record. And the fourth one is to traverse along the data structure. So insertion, searching, deletion, and traversing. Majorly, these are the steps that or you can say these are the operations that we perform on our data structure. So the reason why we have different data structures is because it takes different time to insert, search, delete, and traverse using these data structures. For example, if you want to insert an element in a linked list, or if you want to search an element in a linked list, it will take some time, and that time is known as the time complexity. And if you want to search an element in a linked list, we will have some operations on it which will take some time. And similarly, in these data structures we also have binary trees and a lot of data structures. And the reason behind having these data structures is because they perform these operations in a different time, or you can say they have different time complexities. So that is the main reason why we have introduced different data structures, and we will use these data structures, and our computer also uses these data structures to store records. So this is just the introduction part of data structures, and in the next tutorial we will study our first data structure, that is linked list.